drama. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my glasses and put them somewhere. Okay, so starting out, I gotta make sure everything's connected. So let me look. Yes, I can see everything. Let me check the controller. Yep, the controller's working. Okay, that's good. All right. So I'm gonna pop that up for a second. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the drone on the floor so that it can fly up, okay? So I'm just trying to make sure I got enough clearance that it doesn't crash into anything. Now, it's not gonna fly around the studio. I just wanna show you guys what head control can do with this drone, okay? So let me get it set up. All right. Go up here. Okay, so I got head tracking on. I don't want that on. I just want head tracking on. Okay, so let me start this guy up. All right, so now the motors are spinning up. I'm just making sure I'm far enough back. All right, so I'm going to bring this up. All right. There you have it. There you have it. All right, let me power everything off. I already woke Smokey up. Smokey is now sitting right here next to me, looking at me like I'm crazy. Hold on, Smokey. Okay, I got to put everything away. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. All right. So goggles off. Joystick off. And let's turn our drone off.